Well, how's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, in that other video I was kind of teasing you guys I got this cardboard box by my front door here last night. You know, I don't even remember the last time I made a farm toy purchase, let alone a new in the box tractor purchase, so it's been a little bit. Anyway, you guys know me well enough. I'm quite the active buyer on eBay here, and I was scrolling through one night and I seen something that was kind of been on my bucket list for a few years. And so I kind of just hit the, buy it now option, and now it's here at my front door. So anyway, I'll go grab the case trapper and the tripod here, and we'll just go take a look and I'll show you what's inside. I got the case trapper here. You know what? I just figured it out. You know what the last farm toy I bought and I think did an unboxing of? Was that Cottonwood Acres John Deere 95 combine. I think that was it. I'm still trying to find parts for that thing. Not that I've really been actively looking all that well, but you guys see anything for parts out there, help a guy out. Give us a holler. Oh yay, packaging peanuts. Alright, well, I wish I had my recycling bucket in my house here still, but hold on, let me find a little box here I'll stuff this stuff into before it goes everywhere. Oh, it's a little messy, guys. Still making a mess even with the garbage pail here. I see something down there. Oh yeah. Check that out. That's a nice looking tractor there. Okay, I'll pull you guys off the tripod here and we'll have a little look. I got my little packaging peanut mess picked up here, but if any of you guys were able to catch the back end of that box, this is what we got. We got a Minneapolis Moline. Wait a second. That's not a Minneapolis Moline tractor, that's a Cockshutt tractor. I ended up ordering the 2016 Toy Tractor Times Chase unit, and that's why you get the Cockshutt tractor inside the Minneapolis Moline box. So I do believe there's only 300 of these produced by SpecCast, and I don't have the G940. Well, not yet. I may pick it up just to complete the set because I have the 1955 they did in 2015. So that's kind of the story there. If any of you guys can read that, you guys can pause the video and read it. So in the box art. I almost bought one of these brochures one time, but didn't figure I needed it then, but I kind of wish I had it now, but isn't that the way some things go? So you see here we got highly detailed G940 tractor with dual rear wheels. Well, I don't know, that's not prairie gold. But anyway, I'll get the box opened up here and we'll take a bit of a closer look. Alrighty, well I got the 1855 out of the box there. I also want to give a big thanks to Jason Hazard of the Toy Tractor Times for every year bringing out new toys for the farm toy community, and as well has an amazing forum boards. If any of you guys haven't heard of the www.toytractortimes.com, I highly suggest you go check out the forum boards. A lot of really nice stuff on there. Anyway, here's the 1855 Chase unit, kind of up close. Got rear duals here. See some of the engine detail. Now I've read that the 1855 engine and the G940 engine are different, so this has a different engine detail. You can also see down here, if I can get it on camera. Come on, focus. Says ToyTractorTimes.com 33rd anniversary 2016. So of course you got the wide front end, which is steerable. That's the front grille, and I always liked the 55 series grille with the lights in it. It was always a real neat looking tractor. The other side there, got the wood grain 55 series dash. Got your hydro shift levers and your throttle lever there. Got a functioning 3-point hitch, swinging drawbar. She's a fully loaded model. It's very, very nice and it'll look very good in the toy tractor hoard room there. I might even go get my 1955 and I'll give you guys a little side-by-side comparison here. Alrighty, so there's the Oliver 1955 and the Cockshutt 1855. Now you'll notice the 1955, this is the regular production 1955. This isn't a chase unit or anything. I don't remember what the chase unit was actually in 2015 when they did the 1955. I don't remember what the chase was, but it's got bigger rear tires on it. This has the sliding duals on it. It's got bigger front tires on it and the front weights and whatnot. I've got a review video on this when I unboxed this one. I think I got this one. I got it when it came out, so decided to add that. And it's got the same 3-point hitch and then the wood grain dash and whatnot. Same air cleaners and whatnot. So they're both very, very nice tractors. But of course, with the chaser unit, there's only 300 of these made. So once they're gone, they're gone. Anyway, if you guys like that little unboxing review video, hit the thumbs up. That helps us out here on the other end of YouTube. And if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe. And I want to thank you guys for hanging around and watching my videos. Have a good one.